Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you what is the difference between a featured image and a normal image in WordPress blog post, right? As you can see, I am into my WordPress admin dashboard and I am into the left side. I have clicked the post section and I am into the all post section as of now, right? And here let me open a published article so you would come to know more about it, right? Else you can create a new article as well. So if I click on this edit button, right, I am going to tell you the differences by editing this article, right? Whenever you add an image in between your content, right, like as you can see, this is a paragraph and under this image there is an image under this paragraph, and again under this image there is a heading and paragraph, right? So this image is in between the content, right? This image is in between two paragraphs, so we can call it as a normal image, right? We can use or add images in between our content while writing a blog post. That would be considered as normal image, right? Whereas if we go to the right side toolbar, there is an option of post and blog, and here in the post section you can simply upload a featured image, right? This is the cover image of your blog post, right? It would be shown in front of your blog post, right? So let me go to the front end. So you would come to know about the difference between the featured image and normal images, right? So I have clicked on view post icon available in the top menu or top toolbar, and you can see the featured image is shown in the top of the article, right? Whereas the normal images are shown in between the content, right? As you can see, this image is in between two paragraphs, right? So the featured image would be shown in the top of the blog post in front end, whereas the normal images would be shown in between the paragraphs where you have located them, right, in the front end. Apart from it, let me tell you one more difference. Whenever you visit a website, right, you are not visiting that particular blog post. You have not opened that blog post, right? You have simply opened the website, right? Then in the front section, right, in as you can see, many blog posts are getting displayed over here, and in the front section also you would see the featured image on about the blog post title, right? And when you click on that particular, then automatically the whole blog post would appear, and again the featured image would be shown in the top of the article, right? And the normal images would be seen between the content, right? And for example, when I added this blog post, whenever you create a new blog post or you edit a blog post, then you can also check the search appearance if you have installed the Yoast SEO, right? So I have already installed the Yoast SEO. Then let me tell you, this is the search appearance of our blog post in the Google search engine result page, right? So the featured image would be shown to user in the search engine result page itself, right? So you can see there is a featured image getting displayed in the search engine result page, right? So whenever a user searches for any keyword related to your web page and your web page is ranking in search engine result page, then before the user visits your particular web page, then in the search engine result page itself, he or she can see the meta title and meta description and the featured or cover image, right? Normal images would not be displayed over here till you have added a featured image. If you have not added a featured image, then automatically the first normal image in between your content might appear over here, right? So this is the main difference between your cover image and normal image in your WordPress blog post. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about this topic in detail, then I have mentioned my blog post link in the video description. You can simply visit our blog post and read the more in-depth content about this topic. Apart from it, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.